Today we're going to be talking about the Iowa ABD Age to Purchase app. This was developed for the Iowa Alcohol Beverages Division. This is an application hosted on AWS and distributed for free on Apple iOS and Google Play for Android devices. It was developed primarily for smartphone use. The goal of this project is to provide business owners a quick tool to help them determine whether an individual is old enough to purchase alcohol and tobacco products. Let's take a look at the app. This is the live version of the app. Development completed this week, and we are under user testing for distributing widely. It was important for the user to know that the application is not meant to do the job of the user, and it was simply a tool to help them. The app does not guarantee 100% accuracy and cannot be used as defense for selling to an underage individual. So when the app is first launched, the user is prompted to acknowledge a disclaimer before they can use the app. Once agreed, the disclaimer won't be seen for 24 hours. Prior to launching the app, the client would distribute paper calendars to businesses as part of their iPledge and iPack trainings, which help train business owners and their staff on how to check IDs for alcohol and tobacco-related purchases. The client had decided to move away from the calendars, and currently some of their users have moved on to tools such as the FDA Age Calculator app. However, the client wanted their own application in case the FDA app became changed or discontinued. They also wanted the app to mimic the original calendar in look and feel as well as functionality in order for the app to be both recognized and adopted. The app rotates from portrait to landscape view for ease of use and for scanning. The core functionality of the app is the scanner. The scanner scans the ID and parses it based on the 2016 AAMVA driver's license and ID card design standards in order to calculate the individual's age and provide the client with the information they need to track regarding the app's use. In the case that the ID is valid, the app results in a clear indication that the individual is old enough to purchase alcohol and tobacco. If they were not old enough, a red indicator would display that they're not. The AAMVA standards also allows us to run validation against IDs to indicate such things as expired license or invalid scans, which prompts the user to conduct a manual check. Some of the features of the site include links to app sponsors, such as the State of Iowa Alcohol Beverages Division and the Iowa Department of Public Health. The homepage also provides information for both the iPledge and iPacked programs, with direct links to those programs. The hamburger menu provides a direct link to the manual ID check page, as well as the disclaimer language and feedback button. Once a user submits their feedback, it's sent to an email address provided by the client. The app works both offline and online to collect information, then submits the information to the tracking site once the app is online again. Non-personally identifiable information is collected and tracked on the site. Datatables.net was used for the tracking site interface. The site includes total scans, total calendar views, the individual scans, and a date range to filter results within. The county reference data was pulled from a database provided by simplemaps.com. And that is the Iowa ADB Age to Purchase app. Any questions?